Welcome to this troubleshooting tutorial of meshed surface for Solidworks. When you load an object, import our mesh using meshed surface, if you press the spacebar, you get this nice transparent cube where you can select this, and I'm sure a lot of you really like it. So let's try and go to make a primitive. When we display our settings dialogs for any of our tools and the user presses the spacebar, you see that it actually disappears. This happens because when the SolidWorks shows this transparent glass bar, it actually closes our dialog. We've been working with SolidWorks to solve this problem, but for now there is no solution to solve this, and the only way to do is if you turn the view selector off. So you don't use it, but you just use the normal buttons. If you don't have this turned on, then you can easily go to primitives, you can rotate the objects on the screen, you can press the spacebar and put it in the standard views, but unfortunately without this nice and smooth glass that it appears on the screen that causes problems to our add-in. I hope that we will solve this soon, but for now this is a known issue, so in order to avoid this, just make sure you turn off the selector from this option here, and you use just the standard buttons to place the view into a standard views. Thank you for watching.